Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I took frozen dinner rolls and I made mini cinnamon rolls. Let me show you how I made them. First, I got a 9-inch cake pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick cooking spray. And then I added 8 dinner rolls. Now these are frozen dinner rolls. This is what the package looks like. You can get any brand. This happens to be Rhodes dinner rolls. They're frozen, so you have to let them thaw out. So it takes a few hours for them to thaw out. So I'm going to cover them with a plastic, and then you're going to put it in a part of your house that's kind of warm. You could leave them on the counter. They have to double in size. So about 3-4 hours later, come back to them, get one of your little dinner rolls, add a little bit of extra flour to your cutting board or your work surface, and then just start rolling them out like this. You do not have to be perfect. They just have to be somewhat round, but it doesn't have to be perfectly round. Just roll them out until they're kind of thin like this. Then you're going to add a little bit of butter, some soft butter. Then I added some brown sugar, a nice coat of brown sugar all the way to the edges. And then I added some cinnamon. Just sprinkle some cinnamon on top. Okay, now I'm going to roll it up from one side nice and tight. Now I'm going to cut it in the center and then cut it 2 more times. You want 4 pieces. Then you're going to put it in your original cake pan. It's already filled with that non-stick spray. So now you're going to start doing that to all 8 of your dinner rolls. Okay, you're going to roll it out, add the butter and the brown sugar and the cinnamon. Okay, then you're going to roll them up and you're going to cut it in the center and then 2 more times. And all 8 cut into 4 pieces each. It covers the whole pan. So now you're going to have a 350-degree oven that's waiting nice and hot. And you're going to bake these anywhere from 18 to 25 minutes. So while they're baking, you want to make some glaze. So this is 1 cup of sifted powdered sugar, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, and then we're going to add some milk. Add it 2 teaspoons and then add another teaspoon if needed. You're going to add your milk slowly. You will need more milk sometimes and less milk other times. It has to do with how much humidity there is in the air. It's very strange the way that works. But you just work with it and get it to the desired consistency that you want, and then just put it all over your cinnamon rolls. Now, I made these and I shared them with some friends and they loved them. So these are really easy to make. You don't have to make your own dough and they come out so good. So these are semi-homemade mini cinnamon rolls. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.